should have took a vacation.
I hear Chicago is nice this time of year.
You won't live long enough to get there.
So, und jetzt gibt es einen fetten Bossfight. Jetzt steckt nämlich einige rein. Und hier nicht.
That idiot at the tea house. I never should. I don't think I've shown you my toy here. Maybe I should give you a closer look.
Das war nicht so gut. Das glaube ich.
You're about to roll snake eyes.
Geht finster aus. Das überspringen wir.
Work, damn it!
Bin ja ein bisschen eine Knarre. Oh Mann.
Damn it! Stand up so I can end it!
So, jetzt aber.
I don't think I've shown you my toy here. Maybe I should give you a closer look. You're about to roll snake eyes.
Tja. War damals leichter.
Stand up so I can end it! Come on! Show yourself!
Auf die Tour müssen wir es probieren. Sonst schaffen wir das überhaupt nicht.
I don't think I've shown you my toy here. Maybe I should give you a closer look. Wanna enjoy this breather?
Der Terminator ist harmlos dagegen. Gegen den Typen.
Just reloading, cop. Don't think you're gonna get away.
So.
I know just where to put this.
Oh mein Gott. Du musst doch nie haben.
Let me guess. It's time to go.
It's way past time. The I-9's planting explosives everywhere. Get out of that place before it blows up.
plane to catch. Where are we going? Chicago. And we are running late. How late? About 18 years.
So, das war's mit dem Casino.